For nearly 250 years, automotive manufacturers have strived to assemble processes that optimize efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. They have turned to advanced motors, variable frequency drives, and power supplies to increase production efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and maximize equipment longevity to have their processes firing on all cylinders. At Galco, we have the products that drive the assembly line, like our comprehensive in-stock selection of motors, VFDs, and power supplies that support and supply the automotive industry with the highest quality product solutions that maximize and boost efficiency. Get your applications in gear by visiting us at galco.com.